Gee, I'm sorry you have to go.
I don't have to go.
I mean, I'm sorry I have work to do, so you can't stay.
Didn't you hear me? I can stay.
Yeah, I wish you could. But there's no way I'd be able to concentrate with you around. Don't forget your sweater.
You are so thoughtful. Most guys aren't. Most guys are selfish, hateful bastards who just want to use you and throw you away.
Damn them. Anything else you might have overlooked? Cell phone? Earrings? Any medications?
Hang on. Nope, I'm all set.
Good. Okay, well, I'll see you soon.
How soon?
Very soon.
So you'll call?
What do you think?
I think you'll call.
Well, there you go.
So when will you call?
Soon.
How soon?
We're back on this ride, huh? Okay, very soon. Bye-bye now. When will I learn?
Soon. Very soon.